for the third or fourth time in this period.
Nice work there, Lipanov, Gonsalves.
And Makinemi, I think, got a piece of that. We just said it right there. Let's see if Hutsko can use the speed. He did. Looked pretty good doing it.
50 seconds. Evan Cooley was a very busy lad on that sequence. Made a highlight reel save, probably the save of the week.
Montgomery here at the point for Carolina. Gets it over left side. One-timer shot, score! Suzuki.
Keep this game tied at 1.
Saved by Knights. The puck comes out. Carolina looking for more. 7:20 to go in the second period.
Jankovic trying to dig that puck out of the scrum there, and it goes into the corner for Montgomery. Montgomery up the boards, and
He's under pressure, knocked down on the ice. Good play, step up by Matier. Harper into the zone, goes across Novak. He's got a man steaming to the front, couldn't find him. Out to center. Montgomery under pressure, settling the puck down for Selgren.
as he steers that one into the corner. Bryce Montgomery for Carolina in the corner, trying to battle for that puck, and he comes away with it, and outlets to
Part of it at least. Reese on the boards, able to push it forward behind the net. Finds the puck, couldn't find Harper. Montgomery off the boards, Jarvis.
And that was Bachman getting it out. But good zone time there by Carolina. Still no score.
He's bumped by Suzuki. Montgomery bumps his man. Backhands it to the corner. Montgomery, puck bouncing towards the front of the net. Montgomery able to recover, and he's got the puck. Really good.
He's got it at the left points. Carolina keeping the puck in. Montgomery. Pass underneath. Deflection pass. Knights. Good scoring opportunity there for Drury. Drury looks really good on this shift for Carolina. Good zone time by the Hurricanes. Puck is